Well, folks, we are in the middle of hurricane season. We have storms already stirring in the Gulf, as you just heard from Carrie. Now, what would happen, say, if your company lost power for weeks, or even worse, your business was just wiped out by a natural disaster? Well, according to research by the University of Texas, it shows that only 6% of companies suffering from a catastrophic data loss survive. Here to tell us how you can protect your company data is Mr. Dwayne Buckman. Good morning.
Hi, Rhonda. How are you?
It's so important. I mean, we can recall what happened when Katrina swept through, and a lot of people just lost everything, medical records, legal records.
Absolutely. Catastrophic data loss, like the statistics are showing, that 43% never reopened for business.
Those are some high numbers.
And another 51%, closed within like 2 years.
Mm-hmm.
But it's because they've suffered information loss, data loss. And so it's really important that companies have a disaster recovery plan, a way to recover their data.
Where do we start?
You can go from a small to a really high-tech plan. Mm-hmm. It doesn't have to be expensive. That's the thing about technology. It's gotten faster, it's gotten better, and oftentimes less expensive. Mm-hmm. But Ventures Data Center is a way companies can safeguard their data, their information. It's a hardened data center that sits at the Mississippi East Center in Jackson. It sits on 2 power grids. It's got all the full redundancy of battery backups and diesel generators and those type of things. So it's never down. I mean, it survived Katrina, when so many people were without power throughout the state. So it's a great facility. But we have solutions that we can put together for, that's a shot of our data center there. It's the backup solutions that we like to talk about, the replicating data services. You have your customer information, your financial data, and all those things that you can back up to our data center. There are people that want to co-locate their equipment, like their servers or other IT equipment. They can be co-located in our data center, and in the case of a storm like Katrina or a disaster of sorts, they can have access to their data there. And then there's a fully redundant system for automatic failover.
That's fascinating, and I'm sure folks are going to want to know more about the security and everything else involved in doing so. Where can they go for more information?
Absolutely. They can go to our website, www.ventech, that's VENTECH.com, ventech.com.
All right, folks. Thanks.